And, you know, after a couple of more years, I started teaching here. And I started off teaching straight Yiddish. And it turned out people liked the shtick that I was doing, the patter. They were far more interested in the patter than they were in, you know, the dative case type of thing. And eventually we developed a course based around the patter, which was, you know, and I don't know who's going to be watching this, but it wasn't just patter pulled out of the air. It was about Yiddish. You know, here's this word which appears to mean, if you look in a dictionary, they will tell you it means this, but how is it actually used, and where does it come from? And I was being asked constantly by people here that would come to my classes and enjoy, the people that liked the classes, and not everybody did, but those that did were always asking me, where can I get this stuff? How can I find this out, this information? I've never seen it before. And it wasn't, you couldn't get it in one place in English. You could get some of it in English, you could get some of it in Yiddish, some of it I know you couldn't get. And during this time I had also started writing more seriously, so I had already published a book in Canada, I published a novel. And one day, you know, somebody asked me this and it suddenly struck me like, well, shit, you know, I know all this stuff and I've already written a book. I should do it. Then I spent a number of years trying to find an agent who would touch it, which was very difficult. And I was turned down by everyone. One year there was a guy here at Kvetch Camp who's a music critic, Seth Rogavoy. And Seth had come to my classes. I didn't know him before that. And he liked what I was doing and asked the usual question, why isn't this stuff in a book? And I said, I've been trying to find an agent who will handle, you know, try and sell a proposal. And he had just published a book. He said, well, I can put you in touch with my agent, which he did. And she took on the project and sold the idea to St. Martin's Press. And it eventually, a couple of years later, came out as Born to Kvetch, which was based to a very large degree on the classes that I'd been doing here at Kvetch Camp.